Yeah, that was a gift we got, I think, during Christmas time, right?
Yeah.
Who you got? Oh, wait, another minion. Oh, I didn't know he was in there.
Kevin.
That's Kevin, right? The skinny one?
Yeah, Kevin. It's 2 eyeballs.
All right, grab your another egg.
And he's Bob because they both have 2 eyeballs.
Yeah, the single eyeball is the other one. All right, we got Iron Man. Who's inside Iron Man there? Superman.
Hard.
Where are you going?
Can you open him?
Yeah, you don't want to go anywhere. I don't know where you're going. Under the table?
I'm trying to break him open.
All right. Oh, this is from Zootopia.
Yay! Hello!
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
Rabbit.
All right, who do you got next? Darth Vader? Open him up. Let's see what we got inside.
Ah! We got a little shotgun.
Is that a shotgun?
Like a pencil eraser.
Yeah, I know. It's got the little hole in the bottom. I don't know if these are erasers. I don't think they are. These are the real shotguns. They're not the eraser version. Grab another one, egg. Let's see what we got there, buddy. Cool. All right, next one.
We got Batman.
Uh-oh. I think that's got, is that Hello Kitty?
Yeah, Hello Kitty.
One of those big necklaces? Oh, yeah, I can hear it from the jingle jingle. Let me see. I'll open it up here and show everybody. These are really cute. Little girls love the little necklaces. These are really cool.
Yeah, little girls can watch this video because sometimes sometimes I put some of those inside eggs too.
All right. You got one more?
Marshall.
Let me take the Batman from you.
I got Marshall.
Yes, that was Marshall, by the way. There he is. I say hi, Marshall.